Hello, my name is Antoinette Jackson and I'm the founder of SuperBee Wax Wraps. I'm really excited to introduce you to our beautiful products today. We have two kinds of products. We have wax wraps and wax bags. The SuperBee wax wraps replace Saran wrap. The other product we have using the same solution is wax bags, which will replace Ziploc bags, and they are also more beautiful and healthier for you to use. First of all, I would really like to show you how to use our SuperBee wax wraps. The small, which I really like, is really great for using to wrap half an onion when you're cooking. Maybe you only use half a lemon. You just pop it in there, wrap it up and put it in the fridge. And afterwards you wash and reuse them. The medium wrap I love for wrapping cheese, for example. It doesn't go hard, stays really nice for next time when you want to eat it. So for the large wrap, it's also good for covering watermelon, papaya, pineapple, and it sticks just like cling wrap. Last of all, the extra large, what we call the Big Daddy, is perfect for covering really large salad bowls and also big loaves of bread. Okay, so let me tell you about the wax bags. So I'm just going to pack a quick lunch for my daughter, just to show you how the wax bags are used. I have a larger one here where I'm just going to put the sandwich inside, and then I'm going to add an apple in there. I'm just going to pop some in here for her to snack on during the day, and you can just seal it over, and really cute and really healthy.
Thank you. So now you know how to use them, the wax wraps and the wax bags. Go buy them now at superbee.me.